perhaps the world is in fact an egg and it will hatch, and out comes a big chicken.
Hello there, my name's Ollie. Welcome to Ollie.
Hello there. So I am in a onesie. I like onesies. There you go. One of the things I want to talk about today, among other subjects such as Christmas and things, was in fact some gum I bought the other day, right? It's in this. You may recognise this as a tube of tennis. It is in fact a tennis ball gum. Alright? Right, so there it is. Tennis ball chewing gum. Okay. No, we're tennis ball. That hat I was going on about last week actually has been lost. I don't know what happened to it, hence why I am not wearing the hat. I should be wearing that hat because it is designated the YouTube hat. I'm not. Oh, I'll just wear something else. Alright? I shall wear this towel around my head. So, what were we talking about? Yes! No. Right, new topic. The other day I bought some hairspray, right? For a joke. I thought it'd be a fun thing to have. And then I was reading the safety things and it says, keep away from sun. I don't know about you, but the sun is really far away. So keeping away from the sun shouldn't be difficult, shouldn't really be a warning, okay? Keep out of sun, I would understand. Out of the sun rays. Away from sun, you're not doing much, okay? You're not doing much with the, so, you know, you could probably, unless you took it on a really big ladder, alright, and threw it at the sun with propulsions from an elephant's eye, and you chanted a magical chant for it to float higher towards the sun, in which a sun's ray would carry it towards the sun and it would explode in a fireball and the earth would be destroyed, then yes, I would understand that as a warning. So, but yeah, 21st December's coming up. Exciting. Towel came off. Big thing. End of the... I'm confused as to how the world will actually end. Yeah, will it be meteors? Will it be hairspray? Perhaps it might be hairspray just coming down, destroying the earth. Big hairspray demons erupting from crevices in the ground, crawling towards major cities and causing havoc with their fumes. My little brother's making a taser upstairs. I've just been upstairs and I've seen him making a taser. Really excited. He's got a thumbtack on the end that says, "This is so it can stick into you." What? Is it just me? Or does this kid sound like a police siren?
Go ahead.
That is quite the talent. I mean, you know, you could really terrify your friends with that. Just say, "Hey guys, do you want to help me just steal some stuff from this shop?" Like, just, you know, because we're young and foolish. You alright? Come on, let's go. Oh yeah, just go. I can't do it. He would do that, but I wouldn't. And then they just crap themselves, wouldn't they? I changed out the onesie. It was getting a bit hot, I'm afraid. So back to singlet and shorts.